NAIPU Pump is a professional manufacturer of slurry pumps and components, integrating casting, machining, heat treatment, and assembly, with over 30 years of production experience. Each casting represents the culmination of artisan wisdom and hard work. Our company combines traditional craftsmanship with innovation, ensuring that every step, from mold design to melting and pouring, from heat treatment to surface finishing, reflects our artisans' meticulous attention to detail. From the selection of raw materials to the final inspection of finished products, every phase undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure that each product meets or exceeds customer expectations. We welcome clients from all corners of the globe with honest pricing and a commitment to quality, transcending geographical boundaries and listening to the voice of the world.